In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have your support inbox linked so tickets flow smoothly and replies go out from the right address. First, make sure you're signed in to Freshdesk with an admin role. Only admins can add or modify support email channels. It also helps to know which Gmail or Google Workspace mailbox you want to use for support, and to have permission to connect that account. From your Freshdesk dashboard, head to the admin area. This is where all your account level settings live. In the admin menu, open Channels, then choose Support Email. Here you'll see any existing mailboxes and the option to add a new one. Click New Support Email to begin a fresh setup. You'll be asked to choose a setup type. Incoming only means Freshdesk will receive emails from that mailbox and turn them into tickets, but replies will use another configured sender. Outgoing only means Freshdesk will send messages through that mailbox while you handle incoming mail elsewhere. Incoming plus outgoing connects both directions, which is the most common choice for a unified support address. Pick the option that fits how you want mail to flow for your team. Next, select Gmail as the provider. This works for both personal Gmail and Google Workspace accounts. When you select it, Freshdesk will open a Google sign-in window. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, take a second to confirm you're picking the exact mailbox you intend to connect as your support address. Sign in with your Gmail or Google Workspace credentials. Google will show a permissions screen explaining what access you're granting. Click Allow to give Freshdesk the necessary permissions to read incoming messages and send replies on your behalf, in line with the setup type you chose. If your organization restricts third-party access, you may need approval from your Google admin before this screen appears. That approval happens on the Google side and helps keep your data secure. Once permissions are granted, you'll come back to Freshdesk. Review what you've selected, then save your setup. Freshdesk will begin using that mailbox according to your configuration. If you ever need to adjust the setup type or switch addresses later, return to Admin, then Channels, then Support Email to edit or disconnect. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Freshdesk, paving the way for faster ticket creation and consistent professional replies from your support address.